How lazy can lead to success. Think laziness is a bad thing? What if I told you, being a little lazy might actually lead to success? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me. You've got goals. Start a business, get fit, learn something cool. But most days, you just want to lie down, scroll a bit, and chill. Been there. Here's the thing. It's not that you don't care. It's that your brain is wired to avoid what feels hard and chase comfort. That's not failure. That's survival mode. Even Bill Gates once said, I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because they'll find an easy way to do it. Lazy people, they don't like extra effort, so they find the smartest, most efficient way to win. That's not lazy, that's strategic. So how do you turn lazy into legendary? Here's how, and it takes just 3 minutes a day. 1 minute power decision. Ask yourself, what's one small thing I can do today that actually matters? Not a huge list, just one meaningful action. Less thinking, more doing. 2 minute start trick. Want to read? Just read 1 page. Want to work out? Just stretch for 2 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. After that, momentum does the rest. 3 the lazy filter. Before doing anything, ask, is there a simpler, lazier way to do this? If yes, automate it, batch it, simplify it, or just say no. Energy saved, results kept. You don't need to grind every hour of every day. You just need to start small and stay smart. So if you feel lazy, that's not a flaw, that's a feature. Use it. Work less, think better, win smart, because sometimes lazy leads to legendary.